If you're anything like me, you love listening to lo-fi hip-hop beats when you work, study, or chill. And one of my favorites is LoFi Girl. This channel is getting millions of views per video. They have 13.8 million subscribers, only 128 video uploads. And let's click in on the videos. Almost each upload is getting over 300,000 views. This one from 2 months ago, 1.2 million views, only 3-minute video. But let's see if we can recreate this channel all using AI. And then if we can copy this style of video, maybe you can take that information and create your own style, your own brand, your own unique spin on this kind of channel. If you want to learn how to build your own custom AI app, I created a full online course. There's new lesson videos being added every day, link in the description below. Okay, let's break this down. I'm not going to play the music on this stream because I don't want any copyright issues. But if you want to check it out, the channel is LoFi Girl. Open up a new tab, a new browser, pause this video, listen to some of the hip hop beats so you get an idea of what we're trying to create. It looks like it's just an image animation going on in the background while these lo-fi hip-hop songs are playing. And the video is pretty long. It's 1 hour and 5 minutes. My idea of creating AI music, it's going to be tough to get that long. It might take a bit of time. So maybe we'll shoot for something like 20 to 30 minutes of audio. So we're going to need an image generated with AI. We're going to need to animate that image into AI video. And we're going to have to create some music, some lo-fi hip-hop tracks using AI as well. For the music, I'm going to use Suno.ai. It might be pronounced Suno. I'm going to say Suno. And just like Midjourney and that AI face swapper tool, this generator runs as a Discord bot. So I'm actually going to type in Suno Discord into Google, click the first link, and then follow these steps to add the Suno server to my Discord. All right, it's added that Suno server, and right away it's telling us how to chirp. First off, there are a couple channels, Chirp Beta 2, Chirp Beta 3. We need to go into one of those channels. Then we need to write the /chirp command, and they have a little GIF of what's going on. We're going to type in /chirp. It's going to make this pop up. We have to add in some lyrics and then the style of music. And then in 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to get a 30-second clip, 2 of them to choose from. And if we like one of those clips, we're going to click the continuation button and make that a longer clip. So I'm going to go to Chirp Beta and let me type /chirp, hit enter. And we get to choose the type of music, lyrics, or we can have ChatGPT make lyrics about something so we don't have to write our own. I'm not going to show this in the video, but I actually tested the software out with lyrics and got some amazing results. I took one of my good friend's text messages and I turned it into an AI-generated pop punk song. And I'm going to try to play it into the microphone right now. Amazing, eh? But let's create our lo-fi hip-hop song. So for the type of music, I'm going to write lo-fi hip-hop. We don't want anything sung in the song. These are just beats. So I'm going to leave the lyrics empty. And just like that, let's see what we can get. I'm going to hit submit. So right away it says generating. And it said it's going to take 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video now. We'll resume when it's ready. In the meantime, you can start looking at other people's generations. Every time someone makes a song, it's going to show up here. You'll get to see the lyrics. You'll get to play both of the samples. And you can get a good idea of what other people are trying, what is working, and what is not. All right, we're finished. We have 2 samples. Let's check them out. Let's click the first one. Okay, I dig it. Let's try the second one. Okay, I like that one too. I like both of them. You could also try appending a keyword at the end of your type of music to get a different style. So I'm going to try lo-fi hip hop cozy summer night. Let's see what we can get with this prompt. I'll hit submit. Going to take a bit here. Okay, they're ready. We're going to try the first one. It's definitely a chiller beat. I'm seeing the cozy vibes. Kind of makes you want to rap. Okay, let's try the other one. That one's definitely my favorite. We're going to go with this one. So I like number 2. And by default, it's 40 seconds long. That's not bad, but we want to make it longer. So I'm going to go continue to, and it shoots up this prompt box again. This is if you want to morph the next part of the song into a kind of a different genre while keeping the original one somewhat intact. You can create some really intriguing generations using this, but I'm going to keep the same prompt. So lo-fi, hip hop, cozy summer night, hit submit. All right, they're ready. Let's check out the first one. So it's a bit different but similar. And I'll try the second one too. Okay, I like the second one. There's a little bit of a drop in it after a couple seconds. You'll notice that this clip is only 30 seconds compared to the original one that was 40 seconds. How do we create a continue and the clip is now shorter? Well, they're generating separate clips. If we want to piece them together, that is where this heart icon comes into play. I like the number 2, so I'm going to click heart 2, and then it's going to create a full clip from the chain of clips that you've created in Discord. So we like number 2, we continued that, we liked number 2 in the regeneration, and now it's putting this clip and this clip together into one full clip that is 1 minute and 10 seconds in length. If you want to make longer songs, you could keep doing this, keep continuing the clips. The lengths of the new generations do get shorter and shorter. The next one might only be 25 seconds and then 20 seconds and then 15. So you have to end the song eventually. But by the end of it, we could get a 2 to 3 minute song, and we'll just need 10 of those to make one really good full-length YouTube video. All right, I love this full song. I'm going to click download. It downloads this chirp to my computer. So we have our first song. Now we need an image. And for that, I'm going to use Midjourney. So first, let's make sure our settings are configured correctly. And we want version 6, that's the new model. I like raw and stylized low. It keeps it similar to our prompt. Going back to the LoFi Girl channel, one of the videos, I'm going to look at everything in this image and try to recreate it as best as possible. So /imagine illustration of a girl studying at her desk. We have a cat, potted plant, scissors. Cat, potted plant, scissors. There's a desk lamp, calendar, bookshelf. Go desk lamp, calendar, bookshelf. We got a city nightscape out back through the window. We'll go window, city backdrop, and pens, laptop. pens and laptop. And I'm going to finish with dash dash AR for aspect ratio 3:2 and hit enter. Let's see what we get. And here are our results. I think it's a little too bright, so let's try this again. I'm going to add in dark illustration. Let's remove all of these parameters. Keep the aspect ratio 3:2. It's a little too childish, so hopefully dark illustration will mature it up. All right, that's perfect. It just made it nighttime, but that looks a lot better. This first one's pretty good. Oh, this second one is nice. I love this second one. I'm going to use that. Third's pretty good too. Let's go with the second one. So I'm going to click U2. That upscales the second image. Bingo. I'm going to right click, save image, and that will download it to my computer. Now let's animate this image. And for that, I'm going to use Runway ML. It's a text or image to AI video generator. And I've created a free account. I'm going to go start with image. Let's upload a file. I'm going to keep all the settings the same and click generate 4 seconds. Now the free trial starts with 100 seconds. You can always upgrade to get more time. But I think a 30-second clip for this image is going to be perfect. And then I can just run it on repeat throughout the entire video. Okay, it's ready. I'm very curious what they're going to animate in this image. Make it full screen. Window opened up and it kind of just like evaporated from the house. I think that's a little too much motion. So I'm going to try regenerating. Let's look at the settings down here. We're going to lower the motion. Let's try 2 and generate again. Okay, our second result is ready. Let's see what it animated. Oh, this is much better. Beautiful. Look at that. She's moving a tiny bit. We have the stars moving in the sky. Some light particles floating around outside. I'm going to go up and I'm going to click extend 4 seconds. Let's make this a bit longer. The clip is ready. It's now 8 seconds. Let's play it through. Okay, so everything's moving. The camera's still zooming. Oh, she moves a bit more at the end there, and the sun seems to get a bit brighter. So I like that. You know, it's starting, the camera's still panning around. Let's go back to the start. I'm going to upload the same file. And this time I'm going to try the motion brush because it looks like only some things in the animation are moving while other things are not. Like the camera is not panning. Let's see if we can recreate that. And they have this new feature called motion brush. It says we can control a specific area with the motion brush. So I'm going to hover over the cat. Let's draw this motion brush on the cat. And then we need to choose a directional motion. So I'm interested what will happen if I move the cat a little to the left. Let's hit save. I'm going to click generate. And the cat's moving all right, but it's separated from its feet and it starts to look more like a chipmunk or a squirrel. So I'm not sure the motion brush works that well for an image like this. Let's try the image plus description. Let's see if we can get her to pick up the pen. So I uploaded that image. I described what I want to happen. Let's click generate. Hey, she's working. Oh, she almost picked up the pen and okay. Not sure what's happening at the end. I think our best bet is to do the regular image AI video with as little motion as possible, either 1 or 2, or choosing the motion brush and highlighting only some areas of the page. Here I have the cat, I have her hair, I have a bit of the outside. And then instead of any directional motion, let's just bump the noise up a tiny bit to 1. And we'll try generating with that. This is our full 18-second clip. Very slight animations. The cat's kind of moving. It gets a bit brighter. She starts moving her head a bit. The outside is moving. And then near the end here, there's a weird thing with her hand. So I'm probably going to cut this off. She reaches for the pen, but it's a little blurry. I think this is the type of animation that we're looking for. We can just repeat this clip over and over again. Just something that's moving in the background while the songs are playing. If you want to play it safe, if you're getting some wonky AI generations, you could play around with the camera motion settings. So instead of letting the AI take over and choose what to animate, you could do something simple like just zooming in on the photo. And doing that, you get something like this. You can see the light is slowly getting brighter, so there is some animation. It's not just a simple zoom. There's actually some video playing on the computer. So the zoom animation is more than just zoom. I actually like this one the best, so I'm going to download this. On the free account, you get the Runway ML logo at the bottom. We can just cover that with our own logo, not a big deal. So I'm going to hover over the download option up here, click it. It downloads this video to my computer. I'm going to open up a free video editing software like Microsoft Clipchamp, create a new video. Let's start by importing the media. So I imported both our AI video and the AI generated song. So let's drag this in. And it's not large enough for the page, so I'm going to stretch it. And I'll actually stretch it so that that logo is not shown anyways. Here, center it. Let's add in the music. I'm going to copy this clip. I'm going to paste it again right after the other. And we'll do this a few times to fill up the song. Let's take a look at our finished product. Not bad for 10 minutes and all being generated with AI. When you're ready, just export the clip. I do 1080p HD, upload to YouTube, tag it as LoFi hip hop beats, and start creating your channel and brand. How to build a custom AI application. It's an online course. Turn your ideas for AI tools into reality. I got a link in the description below. And if you like this video, there's 2 more on the screen right now. We dive deeper into the AI world. Come check it out. Later.